Sand the surface scratch-free. The surface needs to be evenly sanded. This is critical for a good result. We recommend a final 120 to 150 grit for stairs. Vacuum thoroughly and eliminate remains of dust with cleaner. For a low consumption, wetten a cloth with cleaner and put another cloth over it. When the cloth becomes too dirty, take a clean part of the cloth or just take a new one. Allow the surface to dry until the wood has its original color back. Take the Oil Plus 2C set and stir the A component well. When using multiple cans, mix them together for an even result. Pour the required amount of component A into a mixing container and carefully add the B component at a ratio of 3 parts A to 1 part B. Stir well. Once mixed, you have 4 to 6 hours to use the product. Apply a small quantity of Oil Plus 2C with a brush and spread out with a beige or red scrubby pad. Let it absorb for a few minutes and wipe away all excess oil with a white scrubby pad. Finish off with a cloth within maximum 30 minutes. The surface should feel non-sticky. Repeat until you have done the whole surface. Let the surface dry for 12 to 24 hours in a well-ventilated room. Wait at least 5 days to clean with water or surface care for the first time. Cloths and other tools which are saturated with oil may spontaneously combust. After usage, they need to be soaked in water before disposal.